Hi, I'm Elly Lark. Doing daily leg workouts is one of the best ways to build strength, improve flexibility, and boost your overall fitness. Strong legs help with balance and posture, making everyday movements like walking, running, and jumping easier and safer. Exercises like squats, lunges, and high kicks don't just tone your muscles. They also help burn fat and increase your energy levels. Over time, you'll notice better endurance, more stability, and a real boost in confidence as your legs get stronger. Whether you're into sports, dancing, or just staying active, leg exercises are a must in your daily routine. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more fun and easy fitness videos with me.